Ready to supercharge your Veo 3 video creations? First, tap into the goldmine that is pre-existing content. Consider classic movies, books, or even poems in the public domain. These are excellent sources of inspiration. Let's say you're inspired by a classic fairy tale. Tailor the plot or characters to fit your video's theme. Next, brainstorm. Generate targeted keywords related to your video's topic. These keywords will act as your foundation. Ask yourself, what's the core message? What emotion do you want to evoke? Write down every idea that comes to mind, no matter how absurd. Now, craft an outline. Structure your ideas into a cohesive narrative. Think about the beginning, middle, and end. What key scenes will showcase your message? Remember, Veo 3 thrives on clear and concise prompts. Finally, translate your outline into a Veo 3 script. Use your keywords and outline to construct prompts that guide the AI. Be specific. The more detail you provide, the better the results. Think of it as painting a picture with words for the AI, and remember to check the description below for helpful links and resources to get started on your Veo 3 journey.